I went to the VA, 3 spinal surgeries, 5 days a week for 3.5 years. They picked me up after I got discharged, and I went through every kind of therapy they had. Finally was getting back on my feet and then was diagnosed with cancer. So I went through radiation. And then when I was in for my annual spinal cord physical, they told me I had malignant melanoma on top of that. So it's been a challenge. And so we've been looking for ways to cut back on our bills because I've been out of work since this happened.
Hi, my name is Dev. I know Paul because he's one of my neighbors. I really admire Paul. He's been through so much, but for him, he always had his spirits up.
They had a contest. I didn't even know Dev wrote up everything and submitted me. I got a call from Semper Cares, and they said I had won the solar system. And it was a real blessing because, the last 5-7 years have been difficult.
We both actually talked about Semper Cares because it's being veterans, it's veteran-owned. It's always nice to support veterans. With the Semper Cares Initiative, I just couldn't think of any veteran who was more deserving.
When he told me, I just broke down sobbing, just tears of joy. I just couldn't believe it. The one thing this last 5 years has taught me is to be strong, and that's the other thing I learned in the Marine Corps is perseverance and be strong.